Today we are at Villa 14 in Dieren in the Netherlands, and we celebrate the 50th anniversary of GSE Dispensing. And we combine it with the Sales and Service Day, so we invited all our service and sales partners around the globe. This morning we have had 2 leadership presentations and a presentation of one of the software engineers about the new software functionalities that we offer with GSE Ink Manager.
GSE spent substantial time for educating people in lean thinking, in continuous improvement thinking, and in having respect for each other and going together to a certain direction.
We are talking about all the uncertainties, trends and developments related to technology, digitalisation, but also politics, and it's a beautiful conversation.
This afternoon we've had a great workshop to explore the future of GSE, to make sure that we are ready for the future in the coming 50 years.
I think they will have a good future, I think, because they are very innovative. It's a very reliable company, a human company, dedicated to the customer.
Whenever we go to do our service days, we come back with solutions, not just go to have a party, meet the team, see people you haven't seen before, but we also come back with solutions that GSE has been working on for new innovations for the market.
We've seen how the company operate, and that transposes straight through to the equipment from start to finish. You know you've got a reliable partner with GSE.
I had been in GSE for like 25 years, so half the journey I've been there. So yeah, it was nice to look back in history.
As one of my colleagues said today, it feels like a family business. It feels like family because of a lot of people working here for a very long time.
We achieved what we wanted to achieve, and even more. There was a very good spirit. People were very contributing to all the meetings we planned.
We came to the idea to make a time capsule to bring our wishes to the future, to open it 50 years from now in 2075.
My wish for the future is that, of course, business continues. That's not necessarily that it has to grow, GSE as a company. But I think most important is that people have fun in what they're doing and stay healthy.
It's all about people, right? So it's so great to have these people around us, and it's a big family, one big team, and I really enjoyed these last 2 days.